Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 13 of our 30-day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing my Bone Health Smoothie with you. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. The first ingredient which we are using today is pineapple, and pineapple is not only rich in vitamin C, plus it has manganese, which is a trace mineral which is very essential for bone health. And next up I'm using banana, which will keep you full and energized, and also it has potassium in it. Next up I'm using mint leaves to my smoothie, and this is going to make our smoothie all nice and refreshing. Next up I'm using a little bit of agave syrup, or you can use honey or maple syrup, whatever you wish to, and this will add a little sweetness, and this is totally optional. You can use dates if you wish to, or just completely skip it. And lastly, I'm going to use half of lime juice, and this is rich in vitamin C and helps in detoxification process. And to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water because it provides hydration and it's a natural electrolyte. But if you wish to, you can use plain water as well. This is so good. This is so good, and the mint leaves add a very nice and refreshing flavor to this smoothie. So yeah, please try this recipe and let me know what do you feel about it in the comment section down below. And I am pretty sure you're going to love this smoothie as much as I do. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye.